Riley, you're gonna be number one?
No.
Number one.
No.
You can do it.
This is fun.
And then we're going to start the 5 minutes.
이렇게.
Just the 10K. Get set. 10K, go.
파이팅! 와, 아는 사람이다. I will beat you. 저는 5K고 길서방 10K인데 벌써 저 따라하네요. 옆에 유모차 끄는 분 제 경쟁자예요. 우와, 웬일이야. 난 조카 먼저 들어온 줄 알았는데 내가 조카 이겼네. 아싸라비요. 내 조카 이겼다. 오예. 오예. 길서방. 오예. You did it. Good job. 멋있다. 1등 상품 예리백. 예!
Female 40 to 49, Jennifer Slaney.
Good job, Riley.
Calvin Klein.
좋아. 아,
Pretty nice.
웃겨. What is that for?
Pottery.
와, 이렇게 커졌어. Good job. Oh, you're so funny.
Help make the salad.
미치겠어. 너무 웃겨.
파타 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 맛있겠다. 파타 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 조용히 조용히 little baby 조용히 조용히
I mix everything in here.
조용히 baby. We can thank Hyunsuk for helping.
오늘 소주 떨어져서 코로나 비열. 두구두구두구두구두구두구두구두구. 맛있어야 되는데. It's okay? I did it all day.
Hmm?
I make it all day.
You made cutlets all day? Okay.
I did.
You made you
Marinate.
Cooked, you
Think
cooked
about it.
and then watched YouTube all day. That's not.
Marinate. No, I didn't watch YouTube. 맛있어, 현서가? 소스 괜찮아? It's just like. Can I see inside of it? 잘했네. 누가 했냐?
If I'm red, I just took a bath.
And today rain, bath, helping fried, laundry.
Hot bath, cold beer, cold water. I was doing. It's really good. This store is really cheap with the salad.
I have a lot of salad.
I like salad buffet. Like,
That's all free. I can refill.
and the sauce is missing something.
What?
Who made the sauce?
Me?
It's missing Worcestershire sauce.
You sure?
Tastes good. No, it tastes good.
I measure every single thing.
He's not even talking. He's got stuff all over his lips.
He likes it.
Yeah, but he gets it's like all big chunks.
샐러드 리필해 드릴게요. 잠깐만요. There we go. That's I like to do it. Ooh, delicious. Yes. 어머 미쳤나봐.
Noodle time.
어머 미쳤어.
It is clear.
오늘은 블랙
Black seed.
치즈를 많이 넣어줄게.
Yeah. And then sauce.
하고 소스는 직접 부어주세요. 제가
You put ice cube with this one?
No, it's already cold.
I like ice cubes in mine.
아니야. Shake it.
Like this? Stir it? You can't shake liquid
Okay.
unless it's in a bottle.
Pour just not too much. 물비빔국수야.
Oh.
아씨.
That looks like that looks like Jeju volcano. And then I mix it or no?
Mix it. You never eat this one, right?
No. Looks good though.
If you need more,
So-
you can put more. We have more now.
Well, I'll let you know when I taste it.
After 돈까스,
Oh, if
it's
you know any
very
good,
refreshing.
you know any good guksu places in Bundang? Let me know. I know, probably know all of them because I'm a foodie. And what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna shake it.
A little bit more, maybe. That's it.
I'll tell you if it's good right away.
Because it's a little greasy and it's hot today, 30 degrees.
It's a little greasy.
That's 돈까스.
Oh, I thought you meant the noodles.
So it's very refreshed.
Oh, I got this white shirt on, brand new shirt, $20. A little spicy. Like angina. Oh yeah.
나 친구예요. 찍는 친구. 저는 다 찍고 먹어요.
소주 없어.
아니, Oh my goodness. No, don't drink it. No.
Oh yeah. Wow.
I know.
The Korean word wow.
Wow.
From the Hyundai commercial. Or as some people say, Hyundai. And this one. It's like spicy donkas. Oh wow.
It's good.
Oh,
I love the sauce though, but 어머.
like the spicy sauce we had in Seongnam. That was good.
갑자기 매운 돈까스가 됐네. 어머.
Today I got first place in my race.
Oh yeah.
I was the only one in my age.
I'm not.
So-
You are not sure.
Probably, but still, I got first place. They gave me pottery mug, I'll show you. Handmade.
I know.
Wow, this is so good. The best after workout and bath.
My success. I'm happy with it. You like it. And 현석 like it.
I don't know if like foreign people would like this unless like they've been in Korea for a while. It's a different kind of noodle. It's like intense flavor.
정말 깔끔하게 먹는다. Good.
It's like sweet, sour, spicy, and then cold.
Right, I just waiting for this thing for a while.
I'm just so hot from my run.
Right.
bath.
Just copy me. Say it. 농협은행.
농협은행.
Fast. 농협은행.
농협은행. 농협은행.
농협은행.
Say it all together phonetically. 농협은행.
오, 잘한다.
은행?
어, 말해봐. 기업은행.
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 Sounds like a 귀엽네. Oh, you are very good though. Lots of foreigner. Sounds like 농협은행. 너무 예쁘다. Sounds like that. 기업은행 is 귀여부다.
So spicy in the mouth.
딴 소리. But you are not. Okay.
Hi.
왜 그래?
I'm hurting inside. Please click subscribe.
진짜 왜 저래?
Do it again like. Hi. Subscribe.
왜 그래? You never did it.
They go like this, like. Hi.
진짜 쓴다.
Comment down below.
They will unsubscribe. That's so annoying. 너무
Just making a
싫어.
joke. That's what people always say at the start of the video.
Anyway, so
Anyways, I was noticing like on TV, everything was about like cold plunge, cold plunge, cold plunge.
what is that?
In Canada, it's always like cold bath, cold bath, cold bath, ice bath, ice bath. Everyone's like,
Right.
oh, ice bath, it's the best. So Canadian content's always about this cold plunge, and it's like, if you just went to a Jinjilbang, you would not want a cold plunge. You have a hot plunge, cold plunge, steam plunge. You got everything there. Plus, a lot of friends. I just find in Korea they have everything, but in Canada, everyone's buying these cold plunge tubs. Some plunge tubs go for $6,000. And I'm like, 6,000? Like, are you crazy for cold water in a bath? Like, And people buy it. That's rich people are crazy. And if you're one of those crazy rich people and you have tons of money, not crazy to you, but when you don't have that kind of money, that's crazy. I'm like, $3,000? You know what you can buy with $3,000?
Even it's not hot tub.
I could buy a hot tub.
No, you
Why
can
would
put
I want a
the
cold plunge?
cold water in the top, right?
Cold with a bag of ice.
Oh.
Yeah, that's called really cheap version.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, like it's all everything's cold plunge. It's like, oh, like so much more energy. Oh, it's just your endorphins. You're gonna have like a really good life if you have cold plunge. And I'm like, Koreans have been cold plunging forever. So have people like in Canada in the wintertime.
That's
And
right.
I'm like, okay, so I was gonna buy one, right? It's 6,000. I'm like,
미쳤어.
maybe not that brand. Yeah, I'm out of soju this week. So
We usually buy soju in Winnipeg, right? So
also like not.
it's okay.
Yeah, it's just like for the
Good
odd
beer.
meal, just a few drinks of soju. This soju would have been really good with this thing. I don't know what this is, but that broth is.
I recommend.
You recommend? I'll try it with this. I found some other stuff.
Is it 보리차? barley tea?
Sure.
It's a barley tea.
I just want to drink the soup. It's so
That's a cold plunge
refreshing.
in your mouth.
I know. And then the other thing is kimchi. Everyone's like, oh, like, kimchi's so good for you. Did you know that? Yes. Have you been to Korea? Like, and everyone keeps saying that. Like, oh, have you heard of kimchi? My wife's Korean. What do you think? Have you heard of French fries? You know, your wife's from Canada. It's the same thing. It's crazy.
So you think that's it?
I think the rest of the world is catching up on the health benefits. But I still find like you can't find really good Korean places in Canada, US, like Korea. And then people will argue with that. When you go to Korea, the service is great, food's great, atmosphere is great. Every kimchi is kind of its own homemade style. Even the food's own style. Whereas in Canada, US, they kind of use stuff from the supermarket, the sauces and stuff. The kimchi's not as good. Everything's not as good.
뭐야? 외로움 얼음만 남았네. The ice cubes look so lonely.
Like this.
Oh,
Cold plunge inside.
뭐야?
Oh
왜
my
그래?
god! I have so much more energy.
No, that's not good for your stomach.
Oh, I feel so happy.
That's not good for your stomach, Riley.
Nothing's good for your stomach. If you drink alcohol, it's not good for your stomach.
You have
If
to
eat-
warm
If
water.
you eat too much,
Room temperature
if you
water.
eat too much fat, it's no good for your stomach. What else?
Usually cold water is not good for your stomach.
Okay, there we go. Here we go, right? Hyun-suk?
Stop 고집쟁이. You didn't get it.
Okay.
You didn't get my point. It's annoying.
I got your point.
It's really annoying, no?
It's okay. I'm sorry. Next time I go to Korea, I'll just be like, sorry, can I have this traditional beer? Room temperature? I try to make a joke, and then you're always critical.
It doesn't make sense. Your joke sounds like you're real.
It is real.
Serious.
It's a real joke.
It's not funny at all. Anyway,
Anyways,
bye.
bye. Enjoy your ice cubes if you like ice cubes. If you like your tea cold, or Starbucks iced coffee. And I guess a traditional way, no ice.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
싸운 거 아니에요. 안녕히 계세요.
It's always like Starbucks when I go to Starbucks.
We're not fighting.
Korea is always like Starbucks, always saying iced coffee,
끝까지
iced
줘요.
coffee 주세요. And I never hear like traditional coffee 주세요. Ice 주세요. No, room temperature coffee. Traditional maximum coffee
나 끊을
주세요.
거야. 안녕.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Iced coffee.
아.